Once again, y'all, you're looking at another ceiling fan video of the ceiling fan in the kitchen. That's what it is. Y'all see it, right? Check it out. Y'all like it? This is that same ceiling fan I showed y'all before. My mom had been running on high speed. Check it out. It's now running in high speed. Stand back so y'all can see it running high speed. We have this ceiling fan ever since the early 90s, probably the 80s. I think we got it back in the 80s, and this fan's been running ever since. So I think it is United States of America made. This fan has not burnt out, not once. At all. I can't cut it off because she has it in high speed. And she wants it on. But it cuts off when I turn off the lights. It's a white ceiling fan. It has 5 white blades, 4 fluorescent lights, and one of the lights is kind of messed up right here. That one right there is kind of hanging out a little bit. And this is the ceiling fan in the kitchen once again. Thank y'all so much for watching. Peace and God bless. Gone.